Nice touch there. You can see just backing off there. The run from Dashwick Matthews disturbed the defence, and Shabalala too late to close it down. As we see Rayners slotting it to the back of the net. One drop of the shoulder, and the rest is history.
And no chance for the keeper from that.
Cover provided.
Wow, what a setup for Williams.
Absolutely brilliant. Now, can they make something of it? There's a lot of defenders back here. Oh, space for the shot. It's gone in off the post. Finally, the deadlock is broken in favour of Mamelodi Sundowns. The player that scored it almost looks like he's from Rayners.
It is. Just like he scored away in FA Rabat in the second half. Once again now, listen to this. The coach must have emphasized this, that the wide areas are the one place that we can cut them down. But even better this time was the cutback to find Rayners. And the finish was exquisite. I mean, there was just so many number of players in front of him, and yet, look how he sets himself up here, in anticipation of that ball being cut back to him.
But look at the work done by Letlaku.
That's the thing. Open them up a bit. Definitely that will stretch them. Goalkeeper probably unsighted initially. Well taken goal. It's full stretch and he doesn't get there. If only could hear the net rattled. I think the goalkeeper.
A misplaced pass. It's Rayners that sets it up initially. A brilliant run, continues the run, and a no-look pass from Ribeiro. Well-weighted pass into the path of Rayners, and makes no mistake to get his second in 12 minutes for Sundowns. Keeper.
Au yellow. Kawi yellow. Oh, $1 million pass. At yourselves. And Sanchalo twin striker yagagwe. Egrebrenas. For
Tis Galaxy this season. Andy Goyeli has just hit 6 as Roshinurumi makes the save. Ekram Rayners following up. And Sundowns in a flash improved the quality of football, unlocking defenses, at the same time being clinical in their finishing, and they continue to do that. It is Rayners not the best of touches, but he made up for it because of, the goalkeeper not being, decisive in terms of clearing that ball. You pump it onto the side, you don't play it back. This man was switched on, and it doesn't disappoint.
Lots of space for him and lots of players edge. And then there, looking for the pace of Morena, square ball, tucked away at the back post by Rayners. All too easy for Mamelodi Sundowns. 5 to break it. That would be a bit of a stretch, but he's getting closer with every passing game. And then there, cross, tries to turn, Rayners gets it through. Sundowns have taken less than 7 minutes to go 2-0 up against Galaxy. Well, they say revenge is sweet. This is supposed to be tasting really good.
Indeed, I mean, spoke about how emotionally and it will be challenging for Mamelodi Sundowns to play this team back to back, and also how defensively solid the TS Galaxy has been. They will just string a level of passes that I guess as well, with a level of movement as well, it allows Alele to get in front and to play that super ball to Rayners with the touch as well, making sure that he protects